Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make a dash line in PowerPoint. So let's start. This is my PowerPoint. You can see here the dash line in vertical and horizontal. So let's see how it's done. So before that I'm going to insert here the blank slides. To insert the blank slides, go to Home tab and click on the new slides and select the blank slides, and here the blank slide is inserted. So after that, go to the insert tab. In shapes option, click on the lines. In lines, just click on the first line, then press the shift key to straight line, shift key, and get a straight line. Okay, and after that, just right click on the line, click on the format shape, and you can see the format shape here, the open option, and here you can change the color of this line also. So here I am select the red color, and if you want to increase the thickness of line, you can increase here. So you can manually enter here also. So I enter here the 5. If you want to increase, just click on this arrow. You can see the changes over here. Okay, now here I want the dash tab line. So I just click on this option dash tab, just click on this arrow, and you can see the number of styles available in dash tab. So I select the simply one, and you can see the dashed line is ready. And if you want this line in vertical way, just simply keep cursor on here in the point of this line and just drag with the mouse. Okay, and set in vertical. That's it. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.